Hey everybody. So you always ask us for quick and easy snack ideas. So that's what I want to show you today. And this is a great one because you can make it year round. And actually growing up, this is something that I had a babysitter who made us, and we would have it for lunch or snacks or, you know, just middle afternoon snack whenever we were craving something, you know, salty and ooey and gooey. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a package of crescent rolls. So there's 8 crescent rolls in here. And then we are going to take, I've got most of them already done. We're gonna take a slice of bologna, and then we're gonna take some squirt cheese. Now it's really important to buy the kind that says made with real cheese. And we're going to squirt, you know, a couple tablespoons in here. Then for an added little crunch, we're gonna sprinkle some bacon bits. And you also wanna buy the kind that says 40% less fat. And so we're gonna roll this up and start at the wide end of the crescent roll and just roll it up just like that. Now you actually may have some squirt cheese left after doing this recipe, but a great extra snack to do, I used to do this for our kids, is just, you know, get creative with your favorite cracker and put that together. But we're gonna put these in the oven, 375 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes until they are golden brown and ooey and gooey. Okay, so we just got them out of the oven and they are golden browned and the cheese is melted. And you know what tomorrow is, right? So who fell for that? Happy April Fool's Day. Did I have you going for a second, or did you just think Krista has absolutely lost her mind? I do not know what was more disgusting, me putting this together or my husband's face at the store trying to buy these ingredients. But here, let me just tell you this. So we were trying to calculate the nutritional value of this. So looking at the fiber, that was super easy. There is none. But we counted up the number of ingredients in just these 4 things. There were 86 ingredients, and there were over 12,000 milligrams of sodium. So we have not completely lost our minds. Do you want me to show you what we're really having for dinner? Is we are having a modified version of our spring-inspired Cobb salad, and then we are having the portobello Reuben sandwich with the Russian dressing, which is my favorite, and then some, it's actually a beet sauerkraut that we picked up at the farmer's market. So we hope you have a great April Fool's Day, and sorry to try to pull one over on you, but keep it simple and eat real because that is how we like to roll.